So today we are going to see the demo of how to insert the values into the table using the code. So inserting the values in MySQL table using your PHP. So that is the demo we are going to see. So requirement for this, first we have to create the form. So using the form, we are going to post the values. That value is going to be inserted in the MySQL table. So adding the record to the MySQL database from HTML form. So I am just going to create the HTML form using this code. So open the notepad and type the code. So this is my code. So HTML body form action is equal to insert.php. So insert value or I can have it. Method is equal to post. Name is equal to input type is equal to text. Name is equal to name. Age. So I can modify this form like this. Enter your name. Enter your name. So enter your age and enter your department number. Enter your department number. So I have created this form. The value which you are given inside this text, name is equal to name, age is equal to age, and department number is equal to department number. This should be very important. It should be similar in the form as well as in the field name in your table also. So this should be similar. Name is equal to name is equal to age, name is equal to department number. So this is a form, and I can have some color for the form. So body bg color. Body bg color is equal to sky blue. I can have some color for the form. So this form action line, it is meant for when the user is clicking the submit button. When the user is clicking the submit button, so it has to execute this insert db.php. Method is equal to post. There are two methods are there. One is called post and another one is called get. Both the methods are used to post the value. Post means send the value from form to database. Okay, so input type is equal to submit. So form in body HTML type. So you have to save this particular form as insert.html. So insert.html. First we have to create the form. Make sure that we have created the form properly. Then after creating the form, so we have to check, we have to create the database and table. Once created database and table, you have to write the PHP code. So this is how we have to do it. So now what I am going to do is I have to execute my WAM server. So open your browser, new browser. So WAMP service are not running. So what I have to do is open the services in the control panel. So manually you have to start WAMP server. WAMP Apache, WAMP MySQL. So I have to start both the things. So now you can see my WAMP server is running. So refresh. Then after refresh, you just click this on. So you can see here insert.html. So insert.html. So this is how I am getting the form. So I have to make some modification because I have to get one by one. So you can add the tag here. So after that tag, you can add break here. Save, back, refresh, insert.html. So you can see this, enter your name, enter your age, enter your department. So you can have a pre-tag also here to make your form displayed properly in the website. So you can have pre-tag here, free. You can close it here. So I can have it like this. Then after that, I can have one header. Insert values using HTML form. Insert values using HTML form. So I can have H1. So this is nothing but developing the work. So I am developing. I am not typing everything, and at the end I am compiling the program like a programming language. I am building up the program here, building the script, building the program here. So how I want to display my output. So go to that insert.html. See, okay. So this underline is added for all the lines. So I have to close it here for the header. Before header, I have to close it. Save. So each and every modification is you could save it and maybe refresh it, and you can see the output. So insert values using HTML form. So now you can see the alignment. So I have one particular submit button, and I can have one more cancel button also. So we'll copy it here. So this is my login form. So I can copy the button part from the login form. So this is my login form. I am just taking these two lines to login cancel. So we can have it here like this particular insert button. So here I am going to insert the value. So I am having the button name called insert. If you are inserting, you can have insert button name as insert. If you are login, you can have it as like login. If you are going to make, if you are going to do the search operation, you can have it like search. So just click save and go to the browser page, RAM server page, refresh it. Just click insert.html. So you can have the button insert and cancel. Insert values using HTML form. Enter your name, enter your age, enter your department number. So this is how we have to create the form. So once we have created the form successfully, what you have to do is we have to check whether you have the database and table for this particular field name, age, department number. So I have to check with my database. So to go for to work with your MySQL database, so open the new browser. So HTTP localhost, HTTP localhost. Go to the PHP myadmin. In that PHP myadmin, I have the demo is a database name. I have one login table and another one is called student table. In that student table, I have student name, department number, age. So the same thing I can use it here. So for that, I have to delete because I am going to check whether it is inserting using PHP code or not. So, so already demo database is there. In the demo database, I am having the student table. The student table only I am inserting the values. So previously by writing query, directly we are injecting the values to the table. Now in the form we are posting the values, and that is going to be inserted in this particular table called the student. Database name is demo. So I have to make small modification because in my student table name I have student name, department number, age. Similarly, like I have to make the modification here. Student name, then student name, department, the order I have given. So I have to make change student name, department number, age. So what I am going to do is going to put this line after my department number. So So removing this line. So made some modification. So I am saving it here. So after that, what we have to do is we have to check this field name are correct or not. Student name is the first field, department number is the second field, age is the third field. And here also in my form, I have to check student name, and it should be similar. Even the uppercase, lowercase, everything should be similar. Department number, DNO, and age. So both are similar. Now form is ready, and my uh, database table also ready. What I am going to do is I have to write the PHP code. So now once again I am just executing this HTML form. So insert.html. So enter your name, enter your department number, enter your age. So what I am doing it now, I have to write the PHP coding. So for PHP coding, so very simple code. So this is the same code which we are seeing for all the database program. So I'll show the code now. So new notepad, copy here. So I have to make some modification. So DB1 is the database name one. So here the database which I am having my table is different. So same name I have to give. So database name is demo. Table name is student. That I have to change it first. So database name is demo. Table name is student. So very simple code. Database code. Code. If you learn the one particular database program, so you can write it all the database program very easily. So here records added into the table. This is uh, our understanding into the records added into the table successfully. So you know very well the coding. Just a minute. Put the charts. So now what I am going to do is I have to make some changes with my PHP coding. So you know very well, lesson symbol question mark is the PHP opening tag. Dollar connection is equal to MySQL underscore connect. Dollar connection is a variable. MySQL underscore connect. MySQL underscore connect is a method which is used to connect both PHP and MySQL. Localhost is the WAM server name. Root is the username. Empty password is the two double quotes with the empty thing. I have put it here. If not able to establish the connection, you are throwing the error message. Die could not connect. So, and you are using the MySQL underscore error function, which is used to tell you what is the reason for not establishing the connection. Select the database. MySQL underscore select underscore DB is the function name, which is used to select the database, which is there in your MySQL. Using the database name and connection. Dollar connection means server name, username, password. So you are selecting the database. Then dollar $SQL is equal to insert into student. Insert into student. Student is my table name. Demo is my database name. So insert into student. The database name is demo. What is the field name you are going to insert is student name. Then second one is called, we have to check the order in which we are having in the database. So order you should remember, and the field name also you have to check. So name, department number, age. So here you should check student name, department number, age. So student name, department number, age. So first field is student name, second one is department number, and third one is age. Same order. So value dollar underscore post of age, student name. Then second one is department number, and third one is age. So class, what is the use of dollar underscore post? So last class I have informed this.
Sir, post is the web method used to send data to the server, sir.
Okay, that's it exactly. So this value dollar underscore post of student name is the value which is going to enter by the user in the HTML form. So I'm going to have the HTML form. So I'm going to add the first run the HTML form, enter the name. For example, Anand is the name I am entering. Department number is 18 UCA 001. 18 UCA 001. So and age is 20. So this value can be captured by using dollar underscore post of s name, and department number can be captured by using dollar underscore post of department number, and age can be captured by using dollar underscore post of age. So this value can be captured when I am inserting, or when I am clicking this insert button. It is going to execute insert db.php. That is insert db.php is this is the code. It is going to execute all this code. So dollar underscore post of student name, which is typed in the HTML form, and it is going to be added as a value for s name in MySQL table called student. Dollar underscore post of department number I am going to enter in the HTML form. It is going to be added in a student table department number. Then dollar underscore post of age, the value which I am going to enter in the HTML form, it is going to be added in the MySQL demo database student table. If not, MySQL underscore query using the dollar $SQL comma dollar connection. By using the dollar $SQL is the query, insert query is you are having insert query in dollar $SQL, and connection string your server name, username, password. If you are not able to execute this MySQL underscore query, you are giving the error message, that is error, not able to insert the value. So error, not able to insert. So you can have any statement inside this. So not able to insert value. So if you are not able to insert the value, you should give what is the reason for not able to insert the value. That can be done by MySQL underscore error. So if it is successfully executed, echo records added into the table successfully. Or so I am adding only one record, so I can have one record added into the table successfully. You can have a message like this. Then after that, MySQL underscore close and dollar connection. The established connection can be closed by using this particular um, function MySQL underscore close dollar connection. Then close the PHP tag question mark greater than symbol. So what you have to do is save this particular file as I have given the name as insert.db.php. So in my HTML form, I have given the name. So when I am posting the value using the HTML form, action should take place in this particular file, insert db.php. So that file has to be executed. So save, and you can check it here. This is my HTML form. So HTML form I am having it here. RAM server www anand insert.html. So this is my insert.html. Open with notepad. So you can see it here. When the user is clicking the submit button, that is insert button, and the file should be executed is insert.php. Insert.php. Now you should understand what is the difference between both post and get. So now we are going to see that also. So first let us try to insert the values using this form. So how to execute this program is, so first you have to go to your WAMP server page, and in the WAMP server page you have to run this insert.html. So I have to enter the value. So I am giving my name, insert your name, enter your name Anand, department number 18 UCS 18 UCS 001, and the values are enter your age. I am giving. You can see when you are giving age, you can in the text box itself you can increment decrement. So I am entering my age as 21. So now what I have to do is insert the values by using click that insert button. So one record added into the table successfully. So I got a message. So I didn't get any error message. So what I have to do is I have to go and check it here. So for that, what you have to do is you just close it, open another tab. So don't try to insert the values into the MySQL table by opening the database and table. So never try like that. So most of the time it will not be refreshed. So again open the new page, localhost. So PHP myadmin is your MySQL table. So demo is my database name, and student is my table name. And you can see here student name is Anand, department number 8UC00121. So you can add one more record. Just go here. So now add one more record. So this is the form PHP. We are always you are saying that we can create uh, website dynamically. We can create a website, and also we can interact with the web page, like giving the input. The system will give back the output like that. So if I am entering your student name, it is giving back the attendance. If you are entering your department number, it is giving back the result like that. Now I am adding one more record. So Sanjay, department number is 10. So Sanjay age is 19 or 20. So insert. So I have added one more record. If I am getting error, you can see here insert db.php only it is executing. When I am entering the values, you can see insert.html is executing. After Sanjay, I am having one more record, Ramesh. 7. So insert, and you can see here insert db.php. And I can have 12. 12 is Suresh. So I am adding Suresh. Suresh 18 is here 12, 20 insert. Then we have to check it here. Go to the demo table database, go to the student table, and you can see here Suresh, Ramesh, Sanjay, Anand. All the data is inserted using my PHP code into MySQL table. Now we have to see the difference between post and get. So post and get, both the methods, they are used to send or post the values in the form. Now I am changing this particular method as get. We will see what happened. I am going to add one more value using the database. So insert form.html or insert HTML. So I am entering the value Kumar. Department number is 18 is a 13. New value and age is 19. Now I have made the change in the HTML form, that is method is equal to added as get. So important thing you should remember or you should note what is the difference between post and get. Now I am inserting or clicking the insert button. So one record added successfully. So undefined index s name, undefined index d number, undefined index age. So you can see in the URL. Can you see the URL? Can anyone tell me what is in the URL? I will copy it and I will show it in the notepad. Can you able to see this URL? Can you just anyone read this? Hello?
Sir, S name is equal to Kumar.
Hmm.
Ampersand D number is equal to 18 UCS 013. Ampersand age
Okay.
is equal to 19.
Okay. So
Ampersand submit is
submit
equal to
insert.
insert.
Okay, no problem. So this is what the one I want to highlight. When you are giving the post method is equal to get, it will display all the details which you are posting in the URL. In the URL itself, it will display. So this is not secured. When you are typing or sending your username and password, it will show the username and password in the URL. So for that reason, we have to use the method called post. Now again, I am using and changing that particular method. It is also do the same thing. The value will be inserted. You can see it here. Just refresh it. Student table. So index not defined is giving some error. So we'll check it out. So the difference I want to show it here. So that is, it is show in the URL itself. Student name is Kumar, department number is 18, you say 13, age is equal to 19, like that. So I will make the modification again. So insert.html, I am opening it. So let's see. So each and every change you should make a save. So after changing it, just click it. So when record, it's giving some warning: undefined index, student name, department number, age. So let's see whether it is inserted the record or not. Okay. So it is giving some error. It is not inserting the values. So it is asking index. And same thing I am making as a post now. Again I am changing this as post. Post and save it. Sorry, save. Now again I am going to insert the values. So go to that form, refresh, insert dot html. I am entering some value. Rajesh, department number, 18 is here, 14, age 18 or 19. So now it is perfectly inserting, and you can see the URL now. Can you see the URL? Class, can you
Yes,
see
sir.
the URL? Yes. So it is not showing anything. Local hostname Anand insert db.php. It is not showing the values in the URL. Just go and check it here. Refresh it. Go to the demo database student, and you can see the value of Rajesh is inserted here. This is the difference between post and get. Post, both post and get method is used to send the values from the HTML form into the database and table. Post is more secured, whereas get is not secured. Why means post will not show any data in the URL. When you are using the get method, it will show all the details which you are sending through the form. It will be displayed in the URL itself. So get method is not secure, but both the get and post method, it is used to send the values from the HTML form to the database and table in MySQL. So you have any doubt in this? So let me repeat again. So first we have to create the one particular HTML form. The form should contain three fields: student name, department number, age. Then you have one insert button, one cancel button. Save this particular file as insert.html. I am having the command save this file as insert.html. Then already we have the database in our MySQL. So database name is demo, and I have the student table. In the student table, I have student name, department number, age. So same thing should be given here also. Student name, department number, age. Then after that, you have to write the PHP coding. For the PHP coding, so we have the insert.db.php. So insert db.php. So you have to mention your database name, student table name, and this is the one you should remember: dollar underscore post of student name, department number, age. So if it is not able to execute this query, MySQL underscore query, error, not able to insert value, then if if it is working, you can have the print message or echo message, one record added into the table successfully. Then how to execute this? So go to your WAMP server page. So refresh it, insert.html, enter your name. I am typing some name, Albin, and department number 15. 8 means here 15. Enter your age. I am giving 20. Just click insert. One record added into the table successfully. Go back, refresh it, go to the demo database, student table. You can see Albin record, 8 means here 15, 20 as the age. So this is how you have to execute your coding, that is using the HTML form. You can insert the value into your MySQL table.